DJ King, DJ King, DJ King, DJ King, DJ King, DJ King, DJ King.
Hi guys, this is DJ and welcome to just a quick video, and today I just have a bit of news. I know I don't really upload content that much, but I upload every now and again, but that might decrease a bit because watches, so forth. Alright guys, I'll tell you what happened. It's actually kind of silly. So basically, in school we were coming in from the break, from the playground, and then the top of the door, like, it's quite high and everyone tries to touch it, and then I saw my friend doing it and I've never been able to, so I said, okay, maybe I'll be able to it today. Then I jumped, I didn't get it, but instead what I did get is a pain in my ankle. I probably twisted it a bit because, oh hi Uncle, because basically my foot landed on a soccer ball that was under the door. So yeah guys, okay, so I'm on crutches. Okay. So yeah guys, I would like to say thanks for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye! And also guys, we might get an x-ray soon, I know. But if I do get an x-ray, I'll probably show you in a video. Anyway guys, I'd like to say thanks for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye!